Honor Band concert experience very shortly. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 2015 Nature Coast Honor Band. The students that you're going to see perform on stage this evening are from the different middle and high schools in Citrus County. You're going to see a variety of clothing on stage which depicts the different schools. Our group on stage now is the Middle School Honor Band, and we have students from Citrus Springs Middle School with Mr. Gutierrez as their conductor. We have students from Crystal River Middle School with Mr. Williams as their conductor. We have students from Lecanto Middle School with Ms. Wheatley as their conductor. We have students from Seven Rivers Christian School with Ms. Thompson as their conductor, and I'm Barbara Dover from Inverness Middle School. I teach all music. Thank you so much for coming out tonight. You're going to hear some extraordinary music played by these young musicians, and I expect you to go back and shame all of your friends that did not come tonight, but are instead at the tractor pull. At any rate, again, thank you for coming out to support our music programs in our Citrus County schools. We do have a number of administrators from our school system here tonight, and we're very glad that they came to support the students and our music programs. Our school system is very fortunate in that we have a very supportive administration, both at the county and at our school levels. And it's very important to have that support, as you well know, so that your students can receive the musical education that they so richly deserve. I would like to call attention to your printed bulletin or your program, or whatever you would like to call it. But we inadvertently left off one of the students, and I did want you to write it in. It is a tuba player. He is from Inverness Middle School. His name is Hunter Brooking, spelled Hunter. And now, as I said before, you're going to be hearing the middle school and the high school performing. The conductors have been rehearsing with the students for several days now, and the music that you're going to see has been predominantly put together in a Thursday evening rehearsal, a rehearsal yesterday during the school day, and about 3 hours today. And I think you were going to be triply impressed by hearing the students perform, both high and middle, and then watching these wonderful conductors interact with the students. The conductor for the Middle School Honor Band is Mr. Adam Frey. Mr. Frey is from Atlanta, Georgia, and personally I have known him for several years from when he went to the University of Georgia, go Dogs. And he roomed with my brother, and they were both music majors at the time. So he's like a brother to me. He has really interacted with these students, entertained them, told them stories of his travels around the world, because he is a world-renowned euphoniumist. And you're going to hear examples of his wonderful performing tonight, as well as his conducting of these young students. As he told them earlier, there are like 3 top euphoniumists in the world, and he is one of those 3, and we're very fortunate to have him with us this evening. He does have a website if you would like to find out more information about him after the concert, but not during. So let's not be surfing the internet or taking calls during the concert. His website is www.euphonium.com, and that information is in your printed program. He will also be selling some of his CDs. I think he has either 7 or 8 CDs available for purchase. And he is discounting them at 50% for Citrus County this evening. So between the concerts and after both groups have performed, he will be in the lobby and he will be autographing the CDs for the students and posing for pictures and so forth. In addition, Mr. Adam Frey.
Katie, and I play trumpet in Seven Rivers Christian School. The adventurous hero, Indiana Jones, has been featured in 5 films, with 4 of the 5 films scored by legendary John Williams. Filled with the intrigue and drama characteristic of all the classic Indiana Jones films, the 4th release in the movie series, Indiana Jones and the Crystal Skull, fused compelling plot lines and riveting characters, all brought to life by Williams' incredible soundtrack. Our first arrangement, Selections from Indiana Jones and the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull, is a forceful arrangement that combines all the elements of both a touching story as well as an action-packed adventure. This arrangement by Michael Story features The Spell of the Skull, Raiders March, Call of the Crystal, and Journey to Akator.
same name by Edgar Allan Poe. Poe's tale, written in 1842, tells the story of a prisoner sentenced to death by the Spanish Inquisition for a crime that is not explained in the narrative. He finds himself in a darkened cell, tied to ropes to a wooden board. Looking up, he sees tied to the ceiling is a huge swinging pendulum with a sharp blade that is gradually lowering towards him. The prisoner thinks quickly and rubs food on the ropes, enticing rats to chew through them and free him. The prisoner is then faced with the red-hot walls of the cell moving inward, pushing him towards a pit. At the last minute, an arm grabs him and saves him from plunging into the pit and certain death. As we perform, listen to the despair of the prisoner, the swinging pendulum, and the rats chewing, depicted by the different instruments of the band.
Estrella, translated as Little Star, was written by Mexican composer Manuel Ponce in 1912 and tells the story of a female voice who confines in her little star about the hidden love she feels for her new man. A love which may ultimately carry her to the grave. Our arrangement features Mr. Frey and the euphonium solo, accompanied by concert band. We would like to dedicate this song to Citrus Springs Middle School's band director, Mr. Gutierrez, and his family's new little star. their baby daughter, Joy Leanne. Next, we are proud to present an unapplicated euphonium solo arranged by Mike Frey that was written as an instrumental interlude by Russian composer Nikolai Rimsky-Korsakov for his opera The Tale of Tsar Sultan. This piece closed Act 3, Tableau 1 of the opera, during which the magic swan bird changed Prince Biden Sultanovich, the Tsar's son, into an insect so that he could fly away to visit his father, who does not know that he is alive. We're sure you have heard Flight of the Bumblebee before, but perhaps not quite like this. Mr. Frey, are you ready to fly?
Absolutely. Character, though. It's a really big bumblebee.
Hi, my name is Alyssa Foster, and I play French horn in the Crystal River Middle School Band. For this next selection, we are featuring our percussion section with African Marching Song, or Sia Hamba. The South African hymn, arranged by John O'Reilly, is set with repeating percussion patterns and syncopated block harmonies, rounding out the accompaniment and typical African call and response tradition. We hope you enjoy our version of African Marching Song.
with a homage of John Philip Casusa. The kazoo has long been a source of enjoyment for amateur musicians throughout the world. Although documentation does not exist, it is rumored that even March King often filled this his idle time with touring from city to city humming and singing new melodies to this memorable wonder. It is there fitting that we dedicate this tongue-in-cheek or kazoo and mallet rendition of most famous melody man himself, John Philip Casusa, and now Concerto for Kazoos in Concert Band.
Well, before you get to hear our last piece and conclude our middle school part of the concert, we'd like to present our Adam Frey a plaque for his contribution to our middle school honors band this year. The plaque reads as so. Presented to Mr. Adam Frey in appreciation of your dedication to our students and the art of music. Your time with this band has been full of energy, excitement, knowledge, and fun. You certainly have made them better musicians. Thank you. 2015 Nation Coast Middle School. And you for dedicating our music piece to my daughter.
Oh, I have to shake your hand.
Also, this year is the last year for Ms. Barbara Dover in our county as a music teacher. So we have music teachers in our county decided to grant her a plaque as well for the many years of service and dedication to our students, particularly the students at Inverness Middle School. And the plaque reads, presented to Barbara Dover in appreciation for the many years of dedication and service to the Nation Coast Middle School Honors Band. Thank you. This is from Debbie Whitley, Mike Williams, Mayol Gutierrez, and Kathy Thompson.
Thank you so much. I do want to say that, like they say in opera, the fat lady ain't sung yet, so don't count me out yet.
I just wanted to say a quick thank you. I know you've heard lots of people speak today, but these students have done wonderful work, and it's been a great pleasure to work with them and hopefully motivate and inspire them. Hopefully they're going to want to go home and practice more. A lot of the things that I taught them this week, but a lot of the things that they're hearing from their wonderful teachers, and they've behaved themselves very well. I just want the parents to know that, and it's been a great joy. And of course, my thanks to the 5 middle school teachers for the invitation to work with them. And are we ready for the concerto for kazoos and concert band? Excellent. Thank you again for being here this evening.